Swiss 304, if I can send altitude 3,000 feet now, further with the glide path.
Landing 3,000 feet with the glide path, 394.
Airplane 1503, descent at altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1028 millibars, range is 17 miles.
Airplane 1503, descending altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1028 millibars.
Swiss 3904, speed 160 knots until 4 miles. Airplane 1503, speed 190 knots.
Airplane 1503, speed 190.
Delta 20 Tango, descend flight level 60 now, and lead day on
Descent level 60, lead day 030, using 220 knots, Thompson. 20 Tango.
20 Tango, thanks a lot. Effective to the RS on runway 23 right.
20 Tango, Alpha Golf.
Okay, right, Alpha Golf, Emirates 17.
Roger 120, that's 125, good day.
J4 Charlie Echo, Juliet 1 line up and wait 239.
Juliet 1, line up and wait 23 right, DC4 Charlie Echo.
Swiss 3904, contact the tower, runway decimal 625.
108, 625, Swiss 3904, bye-bye.
Airplane 1503, turn left heading 265 degrees, descent at altitude 4,000 feet.